Lubelska Numbers 1 and 2 mine is a new project of high-technology coal mining company of the European level. The mine will produce some requested coking coal grades. Ukrainian coking plants consume 36–38 million tons of coking coal annually. Ukrainian coal mines produce only about 24 million tons of coking coal per year. The shortage is compensated by import, especially from the Russian Federation, Poland and the United States. Remoteness from mining areas increases the cost of coal. Construction of a new coal mine will allow to significantly reduce the dependence of coking industry upon the imported coal. Lubelska Numbers 1 and 2 mine project is a new project to develop underground coking coal mine in western Ukraine. The construction project is owned by Lubel Coal Company Limited and implemented by its subsidiary company CCI Lubela. CCI Lubela is an operator being responsible for design and construction of up-to-date high-technology mine on production, processing and sale of coking coal. A skilled team with high experience in designing and mining and civil construction provides the engineering support for the project implementation. Project implementation is motivated by keen demand for a high-rank coking coal at the world market against the reserves, depletion and decline in coal output by coal mining countries of the European Union such as Germany, United Kingdom and etc. The greenfield Lubelska coalfield was discovered in early 1970s. It's a part of Lviv-Lublin coal basin and it's split into 5 blocks. Lubelska Numbers 1 and 2 mine includes 2 areas, Lubelska Number 1 and Lubelska Number 2. The special permit for coal production in these areas was issued to subsidiary company CCI Lubela by the Ministry of Environmental Protection of Ukraine. Lubelska Number 1 contains 2 working coal seams with average thickness of 1.51 meter and 1.63 meter. Lubelska Number 1 contains 3 coal seams with average thickness ranging from 1 to 1.3 meter. The depth of the coal seams is between 700 meter and 930 meter. Geological and exploration works have been carried out during the period of 1998 up until 2005. 438 deep boreholes drilled at the coalfield allowed to determine both the parameters of mineral deposits and the coal quality parameters. The reserves of K-grade coking coal were approved by the State Committee of Useful Mineral Reserves of Ukraine. Assessment of the reserves and resources with regard to the JORC code requirements was completed by the British independent consulting company Wardell Armstrong. The reserves of coal were estimated 176 million tons. The adjacent Lubelska Number 3 area is considered as a standby block for Lubelska mine. More than 133 meters of coking coal have been approved for the 5 walkable seams. The company has been granted a license for geological exploration of the area. Exploration works are being carried out there currently. Deep boreholes are drilled by modern Christensen CT20 and CS14 drilling rigs produced by the Swedish company Atlas Copco. The core recovery from boreholes drilling is 95%, that is necessary requirement for classifying coal reserves in terms of the JORC code categories. Further to the geological exploration, which includes the whole spectrum of coal quality assignments, reserve estimation and then approval of the State Committee for Reserves of Ukraine, the company has a mind to obtain the license for the mining of reserves. This results in a total more than 300 meters of coal. Scientific and technological support for the geological and exploration works is provided by the Polish company GeoExpert. Geological conditions of seam mining are expected to be favorable. Flat dip of coal seams, continuity of seams and seam roof and floor stable strata allow to apply the high productive mining equipment. Coal production per phase based on the gas factor will not be limited because of low potential of methane in the coal seams and adjacent strata. The Ukrainian feasibility study for Lubelska mine construction was produced by the Lugansk Dniproshacht, a leading institute in mining sector, assisted by a number of reputed foreign companies such as Wardell Armstrong from United Kingdom, Mineral and Energy Economy Research Institute of the Polish Academy of Science, IMC Germany, Setco USA, and Hefei Research and Design Institute China. The project provides for construction of underground coal mine with production capacity of 8 million ton per year of ROM coal. Coalfield boundaries, including Lubelska No. 3 area, are as follows: from 2.8 to 6.3 kilometers and 20.7 kilometers along the strike. The coalfield occupies the area of 90 square kilometers. Lubelska mine project is located in the Zhovkva and Sokal districts of the Lviv region, 30 kilometers to the state border with Poland. The new rail link comprises the construction of 12 kilometers of a rail track from existing railway line to mine site. The developed transport infrastructure will allow coal supply to both Ukrainian and European markets. Electricity supply required for the construction and operation of mine will be arranged from the Dobrotvir terminal power station. The proposed power transmission line comprises two 110 kV overhead power lines. The coal field will be accessed by central double vertical shafts to the depth of 900 and 866 meters respectively. The pit bottom area will be developed upon completion of the shaft sinking. Then the first longwall will be developed in the block number 1 north side in order to begin coal production at an early stage. Access roadways for the development of the rest longwalls will be driven simultaneously. Longwall faces will be equipped with high productive plow systems of the Caterpillar company. Therefore, the plow systems are designed to work automatically. The plow is remotely controlled by an operator from mine surface using computer control. This also minimizes the number of personnel in phase and allows to reduce significantly risk of injury rates. The plow is pulled along the longwall face on a rail track mounted on one side of the armored face conveyor by two motors, one at each end of the longwall. The plow system cuts thin strips of coal between 8 to 20 centimeters thick. Due to high speed that the plow travels up to 3.6 meters per second, it has achieved a high productivity of mining equipment. Such systems make a good showing in coal mines during development of thin seams in Germany, Poland and the United States. For instance, Bogdanka mine in Poland, which operates in geological conditions similar to that of Lubelska Numbers 1 and 2 mine, achieved very good results on coal mining with plow systems. Daily output from 300 meters long face in seams of 1.5 meter thickness is 17,000 tons. Maximum output was more than 24,000 tons per day. In order to reach design capacity of 8 million ton per year, it will be operated from 3 to 5 plow systems simultaneously. Coal washing will be carried out by the own preparation plant. The coal preparation plant project has been developed by the Capital Equipment and Trading Corporation, Setco USA. The company is highly experienced in developing technologies for coal washing. Automatic control of flow sheet of coal washing and permanent online inspection will allow to produce coking coal concentrate of high quality to be compatible with the best coking coals on the world markets. The sealable production, that is coking coal concentrate of the most demanded K and G coal grades according to the Ukrainian classification, or premium low or volatile coking coal based on the international classification, with ash content of 4–6% and sulfur up to 1%. The plant will be environmentally safe. It will operate using closer water slurry flow sheet. Therefore, it is not intended to use flotation, which involves chemical substances. The environmental protection issue has been developed in accordance with the international requirements of the coal mining industry in the field of environment, health and safety. Protection methods proposed under the project significantly reduce both atmospheric emissions and pollution of soil and groundwaters with harmful substances. The process flow sheet for mine water desalination system will be constructed according to building block principle and will have 4 reserve osmosis units. The water that has undergone the process of desalination will be used for the technical needs of the mine and preparation plant as follows: for sprinkling the underground roadways, process flow sheets of preparation plant in shower rooms, in laundries and in fireproof networks. Under the project, it is proposed to construct settling pond and two-section emergency storage pond for mine water. It is anticipated to arrange pond's bottom and slope caping layers in order to prevent from infiltration of mine water. Mine waste dumps will be arranged based on new environmental standards. In terms of forming the waste dump, it is anticipated to arrange full insulation of dump base in order to prevent from the ingress of contaminants in the body of the dump. The air basin will be protected from the gas emissions produced by the mine boiler house. The project of a powerful purification installation has been developed. It is capable of reducing the amount of harmful gases and suspended particles in emissions up to 95%. The mine construction will take 4 years and 3 months. The tight construction schedule will allow commissioning the mine in year 5 and reach production capacity in year 6 from the construction commence. Because of old mine closure in the region, the large amount of experienced and well-skilled coal miners are available for a new job execution. The total amount of provided working places will exceed 3,300. The anticipated technical and economic indicators of the project confirm its high profitability. In this respect, it is possible to talk about the following data. Annual production of raw coal 8 million ton. Annual yield of coking coal concentrate 6.2 million ton. Cost value of the ready-made coal sellable product $26.6 per ton. Internal rate of refund after tax 38.5%. Profit after tax for the first 8 years of mine operation is $673.2 million. Net present value after tax $1,959 million. Payback period after income tax 6 years. Mine life 36 years. Estimated construction cost $843 million. Project implementation will allow to construct a cost-effective and high-quality coking coal mine in western Ukraine. Lubelska mine, located close to consumers in Eastern and Central Europe, as well as connected to the developed railroad networks, with a good transfer capability, will have high competitive advantages and steady market for its sellable products.